Hello, I'm PJ Castle and welcome to my channel. I decided to make some wrapping paper because I can. I started with this abstract, kind of cloudy image that I quickly created. Here I'm going to stretch it out a little bit wider side to side to kind of make some lines so that it's not too, look like little spots here and there, look more like lines here and there. And we got it going, and I have a path here that I created in Illustrator that I'm going to quickly copy and paste over. It is one continuous path. I like to rename my paths because if you don't and you paste in another path on top of it, you could lose your path. I zoomed in here so you can see it as it goes. It goes up and over and down and over and up and over and down and over. You'll be able to see it as it goes. Oh, I should also mention that if you don't have a layer selected, you get the little action warning. Goes, you think I'm really going to do this? We're zoomed in here so you can actually see the way the pixels get pushed around. I'm going to speed up here in a moment so you don't have to watch everything. If you look towards the center, right above my little progress bar, you can actually start to see the pixels getting pushed around. And it's just gonna go. This is a nice little action that I wrote. I've written some for more ambitious projects. This one takes, maybe about 15 minutes, if that. I've had files so large that they needed overnight to run, so I had save incorporated into the action, because if at any point there was power glitch, or the computer just hiccuped, or whatever happened, I would have a point to go back to. And that's exactly what you need when you have an action that is dependent on running for a long period of time. I had some files I would start in the morning, go to work, come home, they'd still be running. But as you can see, our pixels are starting to get pushed around a little more dramatically. And we're going to take a pause. You can listen to some music. I don't have any copyright-free music. I guess I could sing. She'll be coming around the mountain when she comes. Talk about a song to get stuck in your head. We're going to pause and speed it up, and then we'll go through the coloration process of making it look more like Christmas wrapping paper when I'm done. I'll talk to y'all soon. And wow, just like that, we're finished. So what we're going to do is we're going to colorize this with the gradient map as soon as I find it. And I don't know why it chose those two colors, but if I went to black and white, and black maps the darkest colors of the image and white maps the lightest, and we're choosing colors to complement Christmassy green. And since this is an adjustment layer, I still have the original in case I want to use it for a birthday paper or something. There's a lot of texture in the background, and I'm okay with that because, you know, this isn't real paper marbling, so we're just having fun. You know, this is not meant to be fine art. This is meant to be fun art. And I found it a lot easier just to adjust from black and white than I did from picking any of a lot of presets, what have you. And I'm just about finished. It didn't quite match the screen colors, but you know, I'm okay with that. You know, and nothing ever really matches the screen colors because you're printing to different mediums. And we're going to stop it right here. And here we have the final piece. Actually, it's stretched out a little bit. No, you're not supposed to judge pixels, but I think this is one good exception because once you start pushing the pixels around, you just get a bunch of surprises. And by having all that texture in there, it breaks up the solid colors so that it looks a little bit nicer. This made some awesome gift wrap. And if you want to see more videos like this, please give us a thumbs up and a like, and feel free to subscribe to the channel. I want to wish you all a great day. Enjoy the rest of your weekend and the rest of 2019. Talk to you soon. Bye.